In this video, we'll set up a scalable full-stack app using Jitar. Let's jump straight in. First, we need to install the runtime. Besides NPM, you can also use Yarn or PNPM. Let's verify the install by checking the CLI options. The simplest way to create an app is by using the init command. It scaffolds a complete project from a template, like React. You can also start with Vue or backend-only. The project is created in a folder named after your app. From there, it can be built and run with the provided commands. The app is now live and accessible in your browser. The hello message comes from the backend. Its request is fully automated by Jitar. Now let's see how this works. The project folder contains 4 important folders. It all starts in the source folder, where both the domain and UI components live. The app UI component imports the say hello function from the domain directly, calls it when the app gets loaded, and shows the message in the browser. The implementation of the say hello function is simple, but it must be asynchronous for Jitar to distribute it to the server. It is configured to run on the server using Jitar segmentation system and runtime services. The default segmentation configuration imports the say hello module and makes its function available as a public endpoint for the web UI. The runtime service runs on port 3000 in standalone mode, so it works as both a worker and a web server. It loads the default segment to handle its endpoints, and the web server uses a whitelist of assets. That is all it takes to set up and run a scalable full-stack app using Jitar. More information and details can be found in the other videos and in the documentation at jitar.dev.